What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through the trades I took today, kind of give you my thought process, the reasoning behind them. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's start from the beginning. I took this trade pre-market. I was trading futures live on my Instagram. Okay, now let me tell you what I saw. Let's go back here. You can see pre-market, we kind of formed a trend line here. Then we broke out of it. I said, okay, we're breaking out of it. We could possibly go into an uptrend. We're above, prior day close. I don't have my indicators up because I want to show you this screen plain like this. But I have an indicator called prior day close. It shows me what it closed at the day before. So we're above it. Tell me we have some sort of strength. We broke above this, we come back down, retested. I was watching this. We retested this area. We did not fall back below that trend line, pushed back off. Took an early entry here on this pullback. We should have taken it off this higher low. That should have been our entry. But nonetheless, this worked out. Beautiful trade overall. I want to point out this third possible entry. We made a higher high and another higher low. That could have been an entry as well there. And as you can see, very nice move up. I held a runner. I'm quite proud of myself for holding a runner that long because sometimes I tend to paper hand on moves like this, but it worked out well this morning. Second trade of the day was on SPY. I called this out inside Team Bull. Members, did well off this trade. And we pushed down. We broke down below this 395, which has acted as support and resistance in the past area of confluence. Broke down below it. I was looking for a push back up to this VWAP or, to a retest of this area here. You can see it's a clear area of confluence along with that VWAP there. I told everyone, I said my first ad is 394.6. Second ad will be at 395 if we push up there, after we catch that. But didn't happen. We got in, had a nice push down. The contract, the put options moved really nicely off this move here. What is that? 3.94.6 to 394.5. I mean, it's a really nice trade. I trimmed half my position right at the break of this candle, and I held the remaining half to my stop loss, which was right above that candle. But anyways, my final price target was going to be at this 393.16 because that was a nice bounce area I was watching. I did know that we needed to pull down there before we continued on. It just happened to bounce, just 20, 30 cents early. It happens. Oh well, I did miss out on this huge trade here, but that's okay. We made money. I'm happy. I'm well above my daily goal. Third trade I took today was on Roku. This was on my watch list. We found this level pre-market. Called out my entry in this as well. I'm looking for Roku to get above this 52.2 something area. I said I want to see. I have level 2 pulled up, as you can see here. I said I want to see the bids get above that, and I want to see the bid size increase. And that's exactly what happened. We got in with the 53 call options, took a nice scalp up to that 53. Contracts to call options moved decent. There's a little bit of a spread, but it wasn't, it was manageable. It pushed on up to this 53.4 area, but I was all out at 53. I feel that we handled that trade well. We didn't leave a lot on the table. And that's all the trades I had today. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to ask me. If you're interested in futures trading and do not have an account, I'll leave a link in the description for funded trading accounts. Check them out. That's what I use to trade futures, but I use my own money to trade options through Thinkorswim. And that's all I have. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.